Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the days of the week and the months of the year. If this is of interest to you, then stick and stay with me and let's continue the lesson. So for the first part of the lesson, we are going to learn how to pronounce the days of the week as well as their equivalents. So the days of the week in French are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. So let's proceed. Lundi, Monday, mardi, Tuesday, mercredi, Wednesday, jeudi, Thursday, vendredi, Friday, samedi, Saturday, dimanche, Sunday. So I've selected a few words that may be useful when you are talking about the days of the week. So the first one is jour. Jour means day. So for example, c'est le jour de Noël. It's Christmas Day. The next word is semaine. Semaine translates into English as week. So example, je vais au gym cette semaine. I'm going to the gym this week. Next, we have weekend, which translates into English as weekend. Weekend is a borrowed word, and the French took it from the English language. So, for example, je vais aux discothèques chaque weekend. I go to the discothèque every weekend. Then the last phrase is jour férié, which means holiday. So, example, aujourd'hui est un jour férié. Today is a holiday. Now let's learn how to pronounce the months of the year. So let's begin. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Did you notice the endings of some of the months? Yes. From September downwards, in French, the months end in RE, whereas in English they end in ER. Just like the days of the week, months of the year are written in small letters unless they begin a sentence. So below is a word you may come across when talking about months of the year. So the word is mois, which translates into English as month. Example, le mois prochain est octobre. Next month is October. Days of the week and months of the year play important roles when writing dates in French. Here is the formula for writing dates in French. So you begin with the day of the week plus a comma plus the article le plus the number or the day, which is first, second, third, plus the month and then the year. This is the formal way of writing dates in French. So this implies that there's an informal way of also writing dates in French. This example here clearly illustrates the formula we just talked about. So lundi is the day of the week. Here is the comma, the article le, the number, the month, and the year. So we will read these dates as lundi, le 25 septembre 2020. Then take note that numbers are not normally accompanied with the article le. It is only used when writing dates. However, dates can be written with only numerals or figures, and this is considered highly informal. So instead of writing lundi le 25 septembre 2020, you will go with this. the numbers without the day of the week. So to be able to write dates correctly, you have to master your French numbers and the days of the week as well as the months of the year. So if you don't know them, try your best to master them. Okay, so I have just one question for you today. And then the question is, write the date below in French. So I'm expecting your answers in the comment section. Please write it the formal way. And then when you get it correct, it tells me that you really understood the lesson. Now on to the vocabulary of the day. The word is chapeau, hat. So for example, je porte un chapeau. I'm wearing a hat. So do well to keep this vocabulary and use it as often as possible. Thank you. If you've watched the video to this point, I want you to know that I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't for more videos.